Fold the dough, mastering a key baking technique. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's both literal and metaphorical: fold the dough. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's get started. Fold the dough is a phrase used in cooking, especially in baking. It refers to a gentle method of mixing dough, where the dough is turned over onto itself repeatedly. This technique is crucial in making bread, pastries, and other baked goods. It's not just about mixing ingredients. It's about incorporating air, which gives the final product a light, airy texture. In this section, we'll explore the actual process of folding dough. Folding the dough involves carefully lifting and folding the dough over onto itself, then pressing down gently. It's a delicate balance between mixing the ingredients thoroughly and not overworking the dough, which can result in tough bread or pastries. Sometimes, fold the dough is used metaphorically. In everyday conversation, it can mean to integrate or blend different elements smoothly. For example, in a team project, someone might say, "We need to fold in everyone's ideas to come up with the best plan." Here, we'll show a step-by-step visual guide on how to fold the dough. A video clip or series of images will be shown, demonstrating the technique in a clear, easy-to-follow manner. In this part, we'll discuss the common pitfalls in folding dough. Overworking the dough or being too rough can negatively impact the texture of your baked goods. We'll provide tips on how to avoid these mistakes. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of fold the dough in both a literal and metaphorical sense. Happy baking and language learning! See you in our next video.